Alright guys, weather gets out of for you. I'm showing you my favorite weather EAS YouTubers that I want you to subscribe to. Subscribe to Adam Weiner, subscribe to SBC Crit Ford 1056 or SBC Crit for 1056, and subscribe to Manning 1997. Yep, which is really cool. And also, let's go back to something. Subscribe to Super EAS Fan 24 and subscribe to Nick the EAS Fan and subscribe to Severe Weather Liker Free and then subscribe to You Can Do It to 1 and subscribe to SBC Vergenes something 2190. And then subscribe to, on the other side, subscribe to Lightning Bolt 99999, and then subscribe to So Cool 7775, and then subscribe to EAS Fan 88, and subscribe to Tornado Warning Free 69. We already have Severe Weather Liker Free. And subscribe to the EAS Experience. And subscribe. I haven't subscribed to this, but yeah, let's just subscribe to it and turn on notifications. And subscribe to SBC Hermitage Egg or whatever 1258. And I think we have more to find. Subscribed. Actual weather. And also subscribe to... Wait, let me go back to his channel. The actual picture of subscribe. Let me go on to Super EAS Fan 24, because I think we found more EAS channels. Never mind, I can just find out here. Subscribe to, which is the new YouTuber, or something, SBC Smith Mountain Lake 2987. And, give me a minute. There's more YouTubers to find, which is a weather EAS fan. Subscribe to WX Exeter or whatever, which lives, but he also lives in Missouri. Subscribe to Penrose WX / Jacob Geo, and here's the profile. It says Tornado, and then also, can I hear for a minute? Oh yeah, I forgot this one too. Subscribe to him. His name is Clay Ranger 1443 or 143. And subscribe to Thunder Buddy 01, and then subscribe to Norcall Dude 5199, and then subscribe to SBC Paramos 8900 whatever. And then subscribe. Hold on, give me a minute. Subscribe to. Okay. Let me check out this. It has videos and stuff. EAS. Subscribe to EAS CEC Keck or whatever. What's name is? Okay, I can't read, so sorry for the background noise, you guys. Also subscribe to Carson, and subscribe to Milton Teach 99 Productions. Okay, well, I might not good at reading, kind of, but obviously I'm okay. And then subscribe to THB37 Listener, which is, yeah. And then subscribe to NWR Maryland. I think we still have some more. Okay, let me go down to here. And then subscribe to Weather EAS Crazy Gaming Boy 104. And then subscribe to me, Weather Kids 004. And then also give me to 30 subscribers. Alright guys, my battery's running out. Thank you for watching.